Trade idea for the week. Everybody I know is waiting for it. It's overhyped, I know. But Dell is the trade idea for the week this week with 120 calls with 115 as the trigger. And once 115 breaks, we have 126 and 135. 126 is probably a realistic target this week. If the chips go higher and we see market moving higher, 120 calls is something that you want to look out for on Dell. So keep an eye out for that. Peekaboo setup, nice at the highs close on Friday, looking pretty good. I would want to also say compare it to PLTR. You know why I'm comparing it to PLTR is both of them got added to S&P, and there might be some kind of similarity with respect to how their price action kind of looks. Look at that gap up and then letting it go, right? Making new all-time highs. Dell has not done that. Dell has I just feel there's not much buying activity that happened on Dell, and it looks pretty good to me. With the 114 broken, nice little structure there. Once 114 breaks, it's 126 here on Dell, so keep an eye out for that. That's the trade idea for the week. With the you have a stop loss at 114. I posted all of this in our channel as well. But anyway, any other questions you have, any other doubts you have about the market, any other things that we don't have, I did not talk about, definitely ping me on the Traders Lounge. I'll try to answer that. But otherwise, I'll see you with our pre-market notes, our opening play, and the price targets tomorrow pre-market, and we'll probably kill the market next week as well. Thanks a lot. Have a good rest of your weekend.